Hello guys, hope you're doing well. In this video we are going to see how to reverse a video footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get to it. Okay, so I have a video here. You can see there is a short clip. It is opening of a bag. The zip is being opened up. Let me play it for you. I'm sorry the video is lagging due to the screen recording, but you can get an idea. Okay, so I actually want to show the closing of the zip instead of opening up the bag. So this is very easy. Just right click on your footage, speed duration, click here, and here it is, reverse speed. Click OK and let me render the video so that you can see it properly without lagging. Alright, the video has been rendered. Let's play it. Let me play it one more time. Now it is being closed. So that was all. Hope you liked the video guys. Please support my channel. If you like it, please click like button, subscribe to my channel. Peace.